think I just saw a fish.
No, you didn't.
Okay. See that? That's a shark right there. Look. Right there. We got a whirlpool.
God.
Just keep going. Stay in the middle.
What the hell is this right here?
Oh my God. It's a big hump in the road.
Freak, come on.
Go, they're waiting for you.
I have no idea what this is.
It's a hump in the road.
Somebody enjoying the rain.
I feel like you're in we call it whitewater rafting in America. Get in rafts and go down rivers that are much worse than this, but that's what it feels like, whitewater rafting. You can see where the potholes are. See how the water rushes into them?
This looks like a whole lot of potholes right here, sister.
Look, you see them? So if you were a kid in the streets with your Barbies, another waterfall.